you would be thinking that a lot of what to say, some romanticization is there among the aspirants. See, for example, I'll tell you one thing. Consider Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So I would tell you this story. What happened is that one day the Governor General of Bengal has called all the Indians for a dinner. So Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar also, he was the principal of many schools and colleges in the Bengal region. So one day he was also invited for the that prestigious dinner with the Governor General. Then what happened is that they have given a dress code that you have to wear the British attire. Then only you can come to the dinner. Then Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar retorts back by telling that, see, this is a something strangling our culture. No, I'll come only in Indian dhoti. So if you want, I'll come, or else no. Then they have denied. So this opportunity to have that prestigious meeting was ignored by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar by upholding Indian culture, thereby glorifying the Indian culture. Okay, this thing is very beautiful to listen, right? But in the examination, what they have asked is that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is there, who is the British national who has supported Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar in establishing schools and colleges and spreading education. So there the answer is Bethune. So there is a person named Bethune